Want a smoother, cleaner feel down there, but not sure what to expect? Brazilian waxing on the buttocks is the secret many swear by. Stay tuned because we're breaking down everything you need to know before bearing it all. A Brazilian wax is a hair removal method that eliminates hair from the front, back, and everything in between. Yes, even your bum. When it comes to the buttocks, this area is often overlooked, but trust us, it's part of the full Brazilian experience. The benefits: smoother skin, fewer ingrown hairs, better hygiene, and boosted confidence, especially during swim season. The process begins with cleansing the area. A professional then applies warm wax to small sections, presses a strip, and swiftly removes the hair. Expect a bit of a sting, especially if it's your first time. But the good news? It gets easier with regular sessions. To ease discomfort, some salons use numbing creams or recommend taking a mild pain reliever 30 minutes prior. Preparation is key. First, allow hair to grow to at least a 1/4 inch. That's about the size of a grain of rice. Avoid caffeine or alcohol before your session as they can increase sensitivity. Choose a licensed salon with good hygiene practices. Read reviews, check certifications, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Wear loose clothing to avoid friction post-wax. Post-wax care helps your skin heal and stay smooth longer. Apply a cooling aloe vera gel or fragrance-free moisturizer to calm irritation. Avoid tight clothing, workouts, or hot baths for at least 24 hours. To prevent ingrown hairs, exfoliate gently starting 48 hours after your session. Use a sugar scrub or chemical exfoliant with salicylic acid. How long does a Brazilian wax last? Typically 3 to 4 weeks depending on your hair growth. Is it safe for all skin types? Yes, but always do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. And the cost? It varies, but expect anywhere from $40 to $100 depending on your location and salon quality. Now that you know the facts, are you ready for a smoother, more confident you? Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to MTH Health and share your waxing experiences in the comments below.